Hello, hi everybody. It is day 28 of studying Martin every day, and today we are about to do two sessions as usual. Okay, so let's do it. And today, the first thing that I'm about to do is to solve that problem that I have left yesterday. I'm about to solve that one. I need a way that I can open. Wait up. Oh, so I think yesterday my brain was fried. Okay, it wasn't working. Probably, maybe, I don't know. But like this problem seemed it seemed complicated to me yesterday. So so now, so I think then Ken's time will be for uh the only number. Now every number can be less than. Okay, imagine if like Ken's time was maybe 10, and then that means it will be 4 less than the Chanatis time, which can be also 14. But like we have to get this to predict it to get this one too. I think you get the point. But like I don't know if there is a way that I can get it, dude. I cannot even. What the heck? Can I read it one more time? Okay, just to understand like the problem. Janet and Ken made the same trip on different days. When Janet made the trip, she traveled at 25 miles per hour. When Ken when Ken made the trip, he traveled, oh see man, okay, he traveled at 35 miles per hour. And the trip took him 4 hours less than it took Janet. How far did each person travel? I don't know, dude. I just like, to be honest, I don't know. What the heck? Like, can I get a hint? Like, can I get a hint or something? Word problems are tough, okay? Don't rush to the word problems, to be honest. So are they going to use like what are my PDFs? Again, I don't know. So yeah. Guys, I'm about to sign in. It's like Copilot thing. Okay. Okay. Okay, wait up. Okay, and then they're gonna say then they're gonna say at the time, I mean the distance and the rate that Keen was traveling at, which is 35 miles per hour. Equals to 4. This is just a little bit weird. And then you're gonna find like LCM for this. Is this like, I don't know. $35, 35. Okay, 5. This will be 7. And 5 and 7 again, which is 25 times 7. times 7, 175. The whole thing is 175. $175. 0.75 divided by 25, which is 7. 7 times t is equal to 7. B minus by 35. 5. What is 2? Okay, 2. Okay, on this side 2, I believe. I literally forget that. Okay. This side should be also, I think. What about the 4? Is the 4 also like gets divided by 175? It's gonna be like this. I'm not sure. I'm not quite sure. Okay. And then like these guys, they will have like 175, 175. So it will be just like, well, even we are looking for a time, I believe. I don't know, to be honest. But yeah. I'm just like, they will cancel, dude, and we'll have 2d plus 4. Then we're gonna divide the whole equation. Maybe what? Dude, I'm getting confused, to be honest. I don't even know what I'm doing is right at this point. That means I got the distance that they both traveled. Just wanted to make sure, like, if it is actually 10. $350 mph. I mean miles. They both travel 350 miles, which is the fairest one. Miles per second, is that like 80 miles? It is meters, I believe, right? 80 meters per second. Dude, oh my gosh, this problem is just like crazy, man. Oh my gosh, it's just like this sound like real life effects. Like this is when math feels real, man. This when math, it's not just numbers. This when math like is actual scenarios and like real life problems. Wow. So I'm gonna know how far is the wall from the starting place. You know? Wow. Okay, I got one question that I'm asking myself now. What do they mean by MS? Is it just like at 30 like meters per second? Or is that MS? I think the answer is the 45. Cause like I'm just like thinking in a logical way. If the ball flies, like if the ball flies over towards a chimney's wall, a chim wall maybe at 30 meters per second, okay, then after bouncing off the ball, when it comes back from the ball, it bounces, right? It travels back horizontally to its starting place where they throw like the ball, you know? They're using ball flies, but yeah, where it flied maybe. So it travels back horizontally to its starting place at 20 meters per second. I don't know like these measurements, but like yeah. So like it took it like, you know, 20 meters per second, right? And it was just like, and the first like when it was going towards the wall, it was traveling at 30 meters per second, and also when it comes back 20 meters per second. So that means like, and they said like the total time of the flight is 2 seconds. You should know that. You should that keep in mind, right? So if the total is 2 seconds, and it was traveling already 30 meters per second, and it comes back 20 meters per second, I think that means it will be just like, if we calculate that thing, it should give us 45. I'm just like thinking in a logical way, but yeah, well, I think I'm able to use the exact same formula that I have used for this, because like I don't have the time. Do I have the time? Nah, I don't have the time. Let me check it again. How far the wall? Okay. The total time of the flight, just like when he was going and when he was coming back, it is both 2 seconds. Okay, let me check if the exact same formula works. I don't know, but yeah, I'm just like gonna check it. So it was what? It is the distance divided by 30 I'm gonna move this to the other side, but like, yeah, I'm gonna say, oh, it's just like the same 30 ms plus. It should be plus at this time, I believe. So distance, okay, 20 ms equals to 2 or something. So this and this will be, wow, 20 and 30. Okay, I'm gonna say 10. It will be 2 and 3, I believe. So 2 and 3. So this is equal to 6 times 30 is equal to 60. So right there, I'm gonna say 60. The 30 plus the 20 times 60. 2 times 60, by the way. Okay, and then this one will be, I don't know to be honest, but like 60 divided by 30, it will be 2 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, 60 divided by 30 equals to 2. It is 2. It is 2d plus. It's 2d plus. I don't know this one. Okay, 60 divided by 23. Yeah. Okay, so this one is 3d equals to 120. Okay, 50. This is 5. I mean 5d equals to 120 divided by 5 and divided by 5. 120 divided by 5 is what? 120 divided by 5 is equal to what? 24? What? Is the distance 24? Okay. meters, which is the sea. Let me check. What? Am I really right? Did I like literally nail this question? Oh my gosh, it's just like I was missing this type of like formula, man. If you get the if you have like the rate of 2 objects and you don't have, or maybe and you are missing also the rate and the time, you can use the distance, right? Which is nice. You can use the rate, I mean just the rate of that 2 like objects, and it is good. Fair enough. Okay. Dun 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 dun. I kinda like this music, dude. My back's 18, dude. Oh my gosh. And I'm just 21. My back acts like 90 years old. I don't know if I'm damaging my back. Dun 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 dun. Okay. Okay. So you should go to the straight away, you know, you feel me? Continue on. Number and word problems. Dude, the word problems are just like, they scare shit out of me, you know? But yeah, I'm gonna improve, you know? I can deal with them 100%. Feel me? H word problems, or is it like number word problems? Oh, H? Did they say like H? Okay, uniform. Okay, I get it. Number word problems. So the purpose, I don't know how to pronounce the P. Like how to, like I'm about to learn some English, but how to pronounce P in English. I'm about to, let me do this.
Ellie. Let's practice our pronunciation. Today, we're looking at the P sound. Can you make the P sound?
P.
Follow these steps. First, press your lips tightly together, like this. Next, push your lips back, open quickly, and let out a quick puff of air. Try it with me. Are you ready?
Yep. Like, am I doing right?
Nice job.
I think my mic will block this type of, you know, noise. And I'm not gonna say noise, but like my mic will think it is a noise and it will block. That's what I believe. So
Now let's practice a few words with the P sound. Listen and repeat after me. Here we go. Pencil,
so like
Here we
I
go.
did it wrong.
pencil,
Pencil. Happy. Like happy.
happy,
What? Happy? That's how I say happy.
happy,
Happy. P. Okay, happy.
happy,
Okay, I. Happy. Like math session turned into English session. What the heck?
rope.
Rope.
The P
Rope.
sound can be spelled with the
Rope.
letter P as in pencil,
Pencil.
PP as in happy, or PE as in rope.
Rope.
Great job.
Rope. And what about this then? Where purpose. Like I don't know, but basically what it is what it is. So the purpose. Okay, the purpose of number word problem is to give us. Okay, is to give us practice in taking the word about numbers, okay, in problem statements, translating them to mathematical notation, okay, variables expressions, equations used in mathematics to solve the problem, and answering the specific question that were asked in the problem in the problem statements. Okay, so the purpose okay, the purpose of number word problems is to give us practice in taking the word about numbers in problem statements, translating them to mathematical notation, just like variables, expressions, equations used in mathematics to solve problems, and answering the specific questions that were asked in the problem statements. For some people, these are fun number games. but they do appear on tests in math classes from time to time. So it is good to be comfortable with them. Okay, in a number word problem, we are given information about a pair or group of numbers, and we usually need to translate the information into equations to solve for the numbers. Okay, some helpful vocabulary. Okay, consecutive integers are integers that are in ascending order and have no integer between them, such as 4 and 5. Okay, consecutive integers are integers that are in ascending order and have no integer between them. Okay, consecutive even numbers are numbers that are ascending order and have even number between them. Okay, consecutive even numbers, I got it, but like they still have no even number. Okay, so that means there's an odd number between them, and that's how it should be, right? So between them, such as 4 and 6, there is 5 between them, and it's not an even number. Okay, consecutive odd numbers are odd numbers that are ascending order and have no odd number between them. Okay, so they got, okay, I got it. And of course, sum means the result of addition, difference means the result of subtraction, and product means the result of a multiplication. Okay, sum. Okay, so place value can also be used in these problems. Let's do an example. Okay, the sum of two consecutive integers is 25. Find the numbers. Okay, in solving any word problem, we should start defining the variables. In this case, let x be the smaller integer, then the integer is x plus 1. Let's write an equation for what we know about their sum. So let me read it again. In solving any word problem, we should start by defining the variables. Okay, in this case, let x be the smaller integer. Okay, so they are talking about this one. Okay, the sum of two consecutive integers is 25. Find the numbers. The sum of two consecutive numbers. Right? They used to do something like this. I have learned back in algebra, I believe. They used to use something like this, like n plus 2, and also something like this equals to 20. I don't know if it was like this, but like it was kind of close. Let me pull up my notes a little bit. Okay, yeah, it was kind of close. So what are these, by the way? Two consecutive integers, right? Okay, so if it would be odd or something, it will be like now it is this. I think is it gonna be like this equals to 25? I don't know. Oh, wait up. Let me check if the exact thing that I have learned in algebra 1 can give me the solution. So I'm looking for like two consecutive integers. Okay, and their sum is what? 25. So I'm going to say n plus which is the actual which is the first number basically, n plus n plus 1 equals to 29, 25, I mean. I'm just like doing it. I don't know if this is the right way to solve this, but yeah, n square. Nope, it's not n square, it's just like, yeah, it's n plus n plus 1, which is 2n plus 1 equals to 25. It should go the other way, like on the other side. 2 should be 24. 2n equals to 24. 2, which is 12. So the actual number is 12. N is 12. So it is 2 alif and 13. So 2 alif and 13. So the sum of these two numbers is actually 25, like that's man. So by the way, oh okay, I was using n and I used x for the variable. It's just like the exact same thing. It is the exact same thing. It's the exact same thing that I have learned in algebra 1, like finding integer, like consecutive integers and stuff, right? So yeah, let me just read it. This is kind of simple maybe. Okay, in solving any word problem, we should start it by defining the variables. Okay, in this case, let's let x be the smaller integer. So I let like 25, the smaller number to be like n, which is n, to be 12. Okay, now let's solve. So x plus 1, which is 2x. I have 2n, which is like the exact same thing, dude. So the smaller integer is 12, so the larger one is, you feel me, you already know it. So even in here, like in this case, you can finally say it is 12 plus 1, which is 13. So 12 plus 13 equals to 25. This is something that you can do also, So the smaller integer is 12. So the larger one is 12 plus 1. Therefore, the integers are 12 and 13. So we can double check our answer and see that. Let's look at another style of problem. Okay, so the sum of two digits of a certain the sum of the digits of a certain two digits is 17. Reversing the digits gives a number which is 9 less than the original number. What is the original number? What is the actual origin? What? I didn't get the question even. Okay, the sum of two digits. Okay, it is the sum of two digits, like, which is just like maybe 1 and 2. Okay, which is 3. Okay, the sum of two digits of a certain two-digit number is 17. Okay, so that means just like two certain numbers, two special numbers, right? It's 17. Okay, reversing the digits gives us number which is 9 less than the original number. Okay, reversing. What does reversing mean? What is like reversing a number? Okay, reversing the digits. Let me Google it. I don't know. It's reversing. It's just like if it is 2 alif, putting the 2 in front of the 1 and making it like 21. It's just like that. Dude, chill. They're literally showing me like Python code and stuff. Cause like I remember like I studied something like this back in like DSA. You can even see like right here, reverse integer. I even did it, I believe. Oh my gosh, it's just like it clicked now. What is reversing digits of a number? So let's read this. So you need to use this, right? This is a Python code, right? I'm not gonna click it. What did I just do? Dude, oh my gosh. Like that is like at that time I didn't know they use this formula, you know? Like I didn't know they use this formula, which is where reverse the number, which is 0, okay, leave it as it is, n, which is the number, okay, so reverse it. So n is equal to 0, so the condition is that. So reverse the number, you're gonna change the value of that, right? So reverse the number, nope, you're gonna change it. So the first thing that you need to do is the old number, which is like something at this point is 0 times 10, which is 0, and then n, you're gonna divide n like this. Not a what do they call, you know, it's not a like division, but like it's gonna divide the number by 2, and if there is a reminder, like it will give you that reminder, I believe, right? Basically it will give you the last this alone will give you the last number, the last digit of that number, like the last digit. If there is 2 at the end, it will give you 2. And also I think you have to cut, like if it was like 122, and then there is like one iteration happened, it will be just 12, right? So it will be something like that, by the way. I think is this 1? I don't know. So yeah, so I got the point. So reversing the digits gives us a number which is 9 less than the original number. What is the original number? I don't know, to be honest. So let t be the 10th digit of the original number, and let u be its unit digit. What is the unit digit, man? Okay, the value of the original number is t, 10t, and u. Where did I get the 10? Okay, reversing the digit gives us a number whose value is 10u plus t. The second number is 9 less than the original number, so we can write original number minus 9 equals to second number. In mathematical notation, that translates to the following equation, blah blah. Dude, I didn't get this. Can I be honest? I didn't get this. We are looking for okay, so the sum of the digits is I run out of time already. Let's do 9 minutes of rest. But like these problems are just like so kind of damn good, and they're gonna make you think in a crazy way. Like if you eat something, if you ate something and you start doing this type of problems, you're gonna be hungry in an hour maybe, right? It's just like your brain is working, it is like literally working so hard. But yeah, it is what it is. Dun 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 dun. I think the music is way too loud today. It's way too loud. That's what I think though. Pena. So let's go back to the. Oh my gosh, it was Max. Was it Max? Literally? Oh my gosh. So it is what it is. So let's make this one too also. What? What if I do something else? Oh.
Yeah, he did.
Hello. I was talking to my friend. Okay. So let's start studying our second decision of the day. Of the day. Okay. So let's do it together. So let's do it together, Dad. Let's do it together. Are we working on like something? Nope. I was stuck, kind of stuck. On this question. Okay. So let's see. I don't know, but like two certain digits. Why am I using like the search engine? Okay, so 0 and 1, two certain digits in math. Okay, the two certain digits in math are 0 and 1. These digits are essential in the decimal number system, where they represented the values 0 and 1 respectively. They are used in combination to form all other numbers in the system. So in this case, they say the sum of two of the digits of a two certain digit numbers. I don't think so. It's 0 and 1 at this point, because like they said, the sum, right, is 17. So yeah, cannot be. So reversing, I don't toil now this. So I'm about to take the whole okay, so let me pull up this. Okay, so I'm studying where it's called number word problems. I'm studying number word problems. There is no way that I practiced the P pronunciation in this session. No way. Number word, okay, number word problems are designed to help you create, okay, blah blah, help you practice blah blah. I don't need that shit. All I need is this. Okay, this digit reversal problems. Okay, these involve two digit numbers and rely on place value. If t is the 10th digit, and u is the units digit, what? The original number's value is represented as what? Okay, digit what was the thing? Two certain digit. Okay. Simply refers to an unknown number made of 2 digits. Just like this. Simple as that. Right. So now What? What? Who in the world gonna come up with something like this? If they would ask me a problem like this, like how would I come up all of these like equations? Like how I would be able to make them, like to, you know, build them maybe. I couldn't, I believe, like just like crazy, a little bit crazy, right? It would take me a lot of time even, like if I would see this in an exam and I try to solve them like this like, and I never seen it before. This problem alone would take me like maybe 2 hours and the exam time will be done. Okay, substitute this new expression for t into the first equation. I don't know like how did they came up with all of this. Okay, from the sum to reach this, okay, t, which is like the 10th place and the first place, right? Which is called what? U, the units, okay, which is the ones. Okay, so the actual formula is this one. So from the reversal relationship, which is 10th tu plus u minus 9, which is like, you know, 9 less than the original number, right? And the 10u and what the, oh my gosh, holy shit. Okay, solving the equation, simplify that. This is how dumb I am. Like all of this information cannot go through my mind for somehow, like kinda. So by moving like 10u and t onto the other side, it will just be 10u and, okay, 10u and, okay, will it be like minus? The both will be minus, so that's why I have they had what, t. Okay, so there is 10t also, and it will take minus, so they both will cancel out. Okay, it is just 1, not 10t, so that's why I got 90. Okay, this normal maybe. Okay, dividing the entire equation by 9 simplifies it to tu blah 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 blah, the whole equation. Okay, or t equals to u plus 1. So substitute this new expression t for t into the first equation, tu plus 17. U plus 1 equal plus u blah blah blah, which is 2u goes to the other side, so u equals to 8. So find the 10th digit then. So I'm gonna plug u like 8 in everywhere that I have u. So plug u equals to 8 back into this one, which is like 9, to get t. Okay, t equals to 9. So the final result is, by putting the digits back into their places, t, okay, the original number is what? Okay, the 10th place, which is 9, and u is 8. The original number is just, oh wait up, oh my gosh. Okay, if this is like, is this the original number? The 10th place, this is the 10th place, right? Why then I shouldn't go there? Didn't go there, I mean. Why the 8 couldn't go the units place, or maybe the ones place? You can verify this because the sum 9 plus 8 is 17, and the first 8 9 is exactly 9 less than 98. 98 minus 8 is just 8 9. Okay. What, dude? This is just like some type of a puzzle, you know, puzzle. I don't know how to, I don't know if that's the way they pronounce it, but like, it's just like a puzzle, man. It's just like you're gonna bring like different pieces together, gonna combine different pieces and plug them in. Hell nah. But like, this shit is tough as fuck. And I don't even know if I'm saying bad words during my sessions, but yeah, I shouldn't have to say that. Okay. Okay. Find the variables on. Dude, this thing is tough. Like, coming up with this, I think I have to, like, maybe like memorize this and keep this in mind always if I see like this problem again.
Here we have a standard digits word problem. The problem reads, sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 7, and when the digits are reversed, the new number is 45 less than the original number. And of course, we're looking for the original number. For the original number, what we want to do is we want to let t be the tens digit, and we'll let u be the
Units. Okay.
Then
How's your
the
heading
number that
though?
we have will be 10
What?
t plus u. For example, if we have 37, just an example, is that 37 is 30 plus 7, and 30 is same thing as 10 times 3. Then the number that we have will be 10t plus u. The number will be the tens digit, and we'll let u be the units digit. Then the number that we have will be 10t plus.
What did he say?
The number that we have will be 10t
Okay, the number that we have will be 10.
plus u. For example, if we have 37, just an example, is that 37 is 30 plus 7,
Yes.
and 30 is
It's 10 times
same
3.
thing as 10 times 3. So it's 10 times the tens digit, which is 3, and that's the reason why we have 10 times t, and the units digit 7 is just going to be the u. And then the question says the sum of the digits is 7. So we're going to let t plus u, the two digits, add up to 7. And that's going to be our first equation.
Okay.
Next, for the reverse number, it's going to be where u is going to be now our tens digit.
Oh, so it's reversed. Right.
Because we're going to be flipping the digits. And t will now be
will know the ones place, not the units.
Be our units digit instead. So then the reverse number will be 10u
Times u
plus t, using the
Equals to?
same reasoning as where we had the 10 times 3 plus 7 for the 37. If we continue, when the question says that when the digits are reversed, the new number is, meaning the 10u plus t, that's the new number, or the
less
reverse
than,
number,
which is minus.
is 45 less than, so that's going to be something minus 45, than the original number. And the original number was 10t, right here, plus u. If we simplify this equation, this becomes 9u minus 9t equals to negative 45.
Wow, this is
And then
good.
if I go ahead and multiply
I like
by 1 9, or divided by 9, same thing, we get u minus t equals to negative 5. So we're going to be combining the t plus u equals 7 and the u minus t equals negative 5 to solve for t and u. And let's do it up here. We have t plus u equals to 7, and then minus t plus u equals to negative 5. All I did was switch the u minus t into negative t plus u.
The t and
So
2
that when
cancel.
we do elimination or add up and down, it's easier to cancel things out. So the t and the negative 2 cancels out, and the u and the u, we get a 2u.
Equals to
And
2.
7 minus 5, we get a
2.
positive 2. So u equals
1.
Next, if I take that 1, plug it back in here, then I get t plus 1 equals 7, or t equals to 6. So there you have it, folks. The units digit will be 1, and the tens digit will be 6, meaning our final answer
67.
will be 61. Let's go back and check just to make sure. The question told us that if we add the digits, meaning 6 and the 1, we get a 7 out of that. And it also said the reverse number, or the 16, again, 61 reversed, or the new number is going to be 16, will be 45 less than.
I'm lost a little bit. Okay. So my t is 6, and also my u is 1, okay. Oh, it is 7. Wait up. Okay. I'm gonna plug it in right there, right? And that's how I get like u equals to 1, right? And then t, it goes to the other side, which is like 6.
Or
Okay.
t equals to.
Okay, yeah.
So there you have it, folks.
Got it.
The
My
unit
t
digit
equals
will
to
be
6
1,
and my u equals to
and the
1.
tens digit will be 6, meaning our final answer will be 61. Let's go back and check.
Okay, so we're up. Okay, my 10th place would be. This is the reversed version though, because like the 6, which is the 10th place, should go. The second should be the second digit, and also the 1, which is like the units place, units digit, basically should go like the ones like digit maybe, or ones place.
To make sure. The question
Please.
told us that if
Please.
we add the digits,
Please.
6 and the 1,
Please.
we get a 7 out of that. And it also said the reverse number, or the 16, again, 61 reversed, or the new number is going to be 16, will be 45 less than the original number, or 61. Does 16 equal to 61 minus 45?
No way.
Yes, it does. So that checks out as well. Meaning 61 is going to be the original number, our final and correct answer.
Okay. Okay. Sounds good. Not that bad. Not that bad. Okay. So I'm about to like, I kind of got it, but like in a theoretical way maybe, but like I still like all of this information didn't sink in my brain. So yeah, the only way that all of these problems will sink in my brain will be to solve more problems. I don't even need to take a look at this, man. Okay, can you get me? Okay, So I can't try by myself. So I can't try by myself. Wait up. Is this just like learn algebra the easy way? Hey. This dude is, I know him, he's a legend, like the guy who made this course. They call it the math. He's an oldie man, the math Socrates or something. I don't know how to pronounce his name. Like he's a YouTuber. He's the one of the guys, one of the guys that recommended me, or maybe that made me to fall in love with math. It is him. You know. So yeah. Let's come back to this. So here is a practice problem. Here is a practice problem similar to the one in your notes to test your understanding of digit reversal problem. The sum of the digits of a certain two-digit number is 12. Okay, reversing the digit results in a number that is less than the original number. Okay, reversing the digit results in a number that is 36 less than the original number. What is the original number? That's what they're asking me. Okay, so they're teaching me how to set it up, but like I'm gonna try it by myself. I'm gonna try to set it up by myself, you know? So this is it. Okay, and then it should be like this, not like this maybe, but like that, and it should be something like this or like that. Okay, beautiful maybe. Okay, so the original numbers like are the t, but as u equals to what? To 12. So that's it. Okay, so the t is just like the tens place and the u is just like units, but I'm not gonna write that down. Okay, so this is the original. Okay, reversal. This should be, I don't know the way I write it. It's just like nobody will understand it. Oh, wait. I'm gonna write it slowly and more understandable. Reversal. Okay. So what is the original number? That's the question. That's the question. No, yeah, the reversal. So they ask me also not only the reversal, but like reversing the digits. Okay, reversing the digits result in a. Okay, reversing the digits results in a number that's 36 less than the original number. So also this one should be like not only this, but like the 10th place basically. You feel me? Okay, so this is the opposite, right? I was thinking like that 4 will be like the 10th place and this one will be the 1st place. For example, in the number, okay? So in decimal number system, each digit in a number has a specific value based on its position known as a place value. The ones place and tens place are two of the fundamental position in this system. What up? So yeah, the ones place is a rightmost in a number. It represents like the number of a single units present. Okay, for example, in the number 47, the digit 7 is the ones place, so like rightmost. Okay, so it is where rightmost digit, yeah. Okay, yeah, understandable. So go back to the Excel draw. So tens place and units place. Okay, got it. So I think this one will be the way I will set up. This will be exact same thing. Okay, this thing, it is a okay, it is where it is, man. Plus the units place equals to plus 12, which will be like that. Nope. And then it is the same thing, I believe. Okay, something 36 also, right? The original number, which is the same thing, dude, I believe, which is just 10t, because like it is the original number plus u. Okay, this is how I set up the thing basically. So let me check it. So define your variables. Let t be the tens and u. Okay, I did this. Translate the sum of digits, right? T plus u. Okay, translate the sum of two digits. I didn't do that maybe, but like, yeah, I had the idea, right? So reverse it is just like the other way around. So I did this, but like it should be like this, I believe. Okay, this should be the reverse it. Okay, so this 10 u and t, it should be like that. That's what I think though, yet they didn't show me, right? Yes, I'm kind of right, I believe, so let me try. Okay, well, I'm gonna do this one first, okay? So it is 10 u plus t, move this to the other side, which is what, minus 10 t minus u equals to minus 36. Should I just like bring this into this side or leave it right here? Just leave it right there. So now 10u and this one is just 9u, and then this one is just minus 9t, right, equals to minus 36, and then divide both sides of the equation by 9. It's positive 9, by the way. Okay, I think this shouldn't be like this, kinda, by the way. It's okay. U minus t. Okay, I don't know. 36 divided by 9. 36 divided by 9. I think it will be some 4. Okay, -4. Okay. U T is for where up. Something -4. Okay. So, and then can I say like 10 t plus u equals to 12 and negative t positive u equals to -4, which is like I have to do cancellation, so I'm about to what is called I'm about to like I'm gonna multiply both sides of this like second equation by 10. That's what I'm about to do. Okay, positive 10 by the way. Okay, so it will be 10t plus 4u equals to 12, and then minus 10t plus 10u equals to 4 minus 40. Okay, by the way, so these guys will cancel, and this one will be just 11, right? Oh my gosh, that's not a good thing. So 11u minus 40. Okay, by the way, like 12 minus is it like 28? It's 28. Like 28 divided by 11 and 11. I was like doing it, dude. I'm not sure, nothing. Okay, so 28 divided by 11. Okay, I don't like this. Just like some random. And then this making me say like this is not correct. So whatever. Okay, they also put this one inside all of it. Okay, so I'm kind of gonna go back to right here. So this one would also get in. Okay, and now it is what? It's 10u. It is 9u minus 9t plus 36 equals to 0. Divide both sides by 9. 9. 9. It will be u minus t. Add this. 36. It will be 4, I believe. I did it before. So 30. What it is? 36. Divided by 9. It's 4. Okay. This will just be the same. Plus 4 equals to 0. So I always need to move this to the other side, right? That's how it is. Nah. Okay. Divide through by 9. Okay, so when you are right here, you need to get the, what it's called, I'm gonna move it to the right side. So it is u minus t, not t, but like 4. They both look like u, but this is 4 equals to, goes to the other side, so it is t equals to u plus 4, right? Even if it is this way and I move the u on the 4 to the other side, it is minus t equals to minus u and negative 4 to minus 1 on both sides. It will just be the same. U positive 4, it will just like, it will be the same. So this, all of this, you don't need it. Okay, this is what I have. Even you can write it on the other way, which is like this. U plus 4. So now this is the t. Where is the u then? What is this next thing that I need to find? I got the t. So this is the t. Where I have t, okay. I got the t. What? Oh my gosh, I'm doing this with a guide. I don't think so I'm doing this by myself. So yeah, still it didn't sink it in, so. And then what I need is 10t, right? I just forgot it, okay. Then t equals to what? U plus 4 equals to plus u. It is 2u plus 4 equals to 12. Then should go to the other side. 2 equals to 8. 2. It's just like u equals to 4. Okay, u equals to 4. And then will this be same as that one? Let me check it. T plus u equals to 12. And then u plus plus 4 plus 4 equals to 12. So by the way, this is 8. It is u plus, okay, so I made a mistake also. Just plug this into this 4 4 4. Four plus 4 plus 4, which is 12. Okay. Am I close? I don't know. Am I close enough? I don't know. I don't know. Like, I don't know. So by the way, well, let me apply this to the situation. I have to get the T now. Oh, to get the T. So U is just like, wow, T equals to U, which is 4 plus 4. T equals to 8. Is it right? I don't know. Again. Okay, and then what's the second step? When you get the U and the T. So okay, the original number is 98. Also the second number is 89, which is needed, which is indeed 9 less than the original number. What? Okay, 36 less than the original number. Right up. So the U, which is the units place. Okay, T, which is 8 tens place. 4, which is the units place. Right? And if you the results in a number that's less than 36 than the original number, which is like 4. If you reverse this, 4 and 8. So we're up 84. Like 84 minus 48, which is 36. So I'm kind of close and I'm right too. Yeah, okay. I think I need to give like I need to solve the exercise problems, and then I think all of this info will stick into my brain like in a deep way. So I don't need to rush. So yeah, I have to just chill, and I have to like also study this tomorrow. It's just like a little bit trickier, you know, and yeah, it's just like fine, not that bad, man. But like this dude, he was legend, to be honest. This dude is a legend. I think that's why he's like Chinese, you know. So I'm gonna end this session right here, and it was day 28 of studying math in every day, and it was another beautiful day. I enjoyed it, to be honest. So I'm on a coffee too, dude. I have to drink a cup of coffee like every single morning. Like I'm way too energetic today. It's like yeah, first of all, I'm way too energetic, man. So it was day 28 of studying math. I'm so close to day 30. It is time, you know, it is time to share my videos with the family and friends, you know. So yeah, and I'm so consistent. Like I really proud of that. Like I'm proud of myself too. I'm dumbass, I know it, but like I'm kind of like I got the you know, commitment, right, to do something. So see ya all day 29 at day 29.